to another video. So in this video we just take a look how we can got this type of fake Oreo in our any Galaxy device. So make sure that you just subscribe and without any delay, let's get started. Device, you just install any custom recovery like TWRP or CWM. So you need to download a single zip file, so I will give link in the description box. So make sure that you just install any TWRP or CWM recovery in your Galaxy device. So first, then going to the recovery mode by your pressing possible key combination. I just go the advanced reboot option, so just go to the recovery. So here you can see I just booted into recovery. Then simply click on the install and download that zip file. I will give link in the description box. It's almost 4.5 MB I guess. So make sure that download that zip file. Just got in the Telegram. So here you can see you can found any type of that battle log Oreo. If in case you just install that fake Oreo one, so just click it here and confirm to swipe, and just confirm to swipe. So after flashing that zip file, you just simply click on the reboot system and your device will be rebooted with the normal time. Yes, I'm not gonna skip any step, so you can see that it will be working very fine in Galaxy 6.0 or Nougat. So make sure that your device running on TouchWise, Android, Marshmallow or Nougat, it will be working there. So I'm not taking responsibility of your device. If you that's your problem. Finally we just successfully flashed. So let me go into the setting and let's check out the Agaster. About device. So here you can see that Android version is 6.1. If I tap this button, here you can see we just got a Oreo, that Oreo button, that looking quite nice. So another thing we can got to purely prank your friends, like you need to you need root access for that. So make sure that you just need to download that ex file explorer. So I will give link in the description box. It will freely available in the Play Store. So make sure that you just grant the root permission in that site. So here you can see that root explorer, just click it here and so that's it. And then again going to the root storage, then searching for the bolt prop. So here you can find that bolt prop one, and let me open this txt file as ES node editor. Okay, so one thing we just need to found that Android version. Here you can find that 6.0.1. so click on edit, then drag that column and write 8. So after doing this thing, just click on the save. Okay, that's it. Now just reboot your device. Okay, so finally we just reboot our device.